Welcome to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. In today's video titled 10 Affordable New Kitchen Gadgets You Need in Your Life, we're exploring some innovative kitchen tools that can elevate your cooking experience without breaking the bank. If you enjoy our content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Hydrogen Water Bottle is an innovative gadget that transforms ordinary water into hydrogen-enriched water in just 3 minutes. This portable ionizer utilizes advanced technology to enhance water quality, promoting better hydration and overall wellness. The bottle generates high concentrations of molecular hydrogen, which can help combat fatigue and support recovery after exercise. With its sleek design and ease of use, this bottle is perfect for anyone looking to improve their hydration game on the go. Number 2. StoveCraft 2 Slice Auto Pop-Up Toaster. This smart toaster features 6 browning levels, allowing you to customize your toast just how you like it. With its automatic pop-up function, you can say goodbye to burnt toast. Designed with safety in mind, it has a shock-proof body and a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. Whether rushing for breakfast or enjoying a leisurely brunch, this toaster is a must-have for your kitchen. Number 3. Premium Plastic Vegetable Chopper. If chopping vegetables feels like a chore, the Premium Plastic Vegetable Chopper will change that. This handy gadget makes food preparation quick and effortless. With sharp stainless steel blades, it can chop, dice, and slice vegetables in seconds. Perfect for salads or stir-fries. Compact and easy to clean, it's ideal for small kitchens or when you're on the go. Say goodbye to watery eyes from onions. This chopper does all the work for you. Number 4. Kitchen Chimney. Enhance your cooking environment with a kitchen chimney. This essential appliance helps remove smoke, steam, and odors from your kitchen, improving air quality significantly. Modern chimneys have high suction power and low noise levels, ensuring a peaceful cooking experience. Many models also feature auto-clean capabilities, making maintenance a breeze. Not only does it keep your kitchen fresh, but it also adds a sleek aesthetic appeal to your cooking space. Number 5. Soda Maker, which allows you to create sparkling water right at home. This compact soda maker is designed for convenience and efficiency. With its space-saving design, it fits perfectly on any countertop while producing delicious carbonated beverages in minutes. Whether you want fizzy drinks for a party or just to enjoy at home, this gadget is a fun addition to your kitchen. Number 6 is the Phillips Air Fryer. Let's talk about healthier cooking with the Phillips Air Fryer. This powerful air fryer uses rapid air technology to fry food with up to 90% less fat than traditional frying methods. With a generous 4.2-liter capacity, it's perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The air fryer offers various cooking options: frying, baking, grilling, making it an incredibly versatile appliance that can help you whip up delicious meals without guilt. Number 7. 3-in-1 Avocado Tool. For avocado lovers, the 3-in-1 Avocado Tool is an absolute must-have. This multifunctional gadget slices, pits, and cuts avocados effortlessly. Its ergonomic design ensures safe handling while making meal prep quicker and easier. Whether you're making guacamole or adding avocado slices to your salad, this tool simplifies the process and enhances your culinary experience. Number 8. 3-in-1 Mini Waffle Maker. This compact appliance allows you to make waffles, pancakes, and even sandwiches with ease. With its non-stick surface and quick heating capabilities of 350 watts, breakfast has never been simpler. Perfect for busy mornings or cozy brunches at home, this mini waffle maker is a delightful addition to any kitchen. Number 9. Silicone Stretch Lids. Say goodbye to plastic wrap with these silicone stretch lids. These reusable lids come in multiple sizes to fit various bowls and containers securely. Dishwasher and freezer safe, they offer an eco-friendly solution for food storage while keeping your leftovers fresh. Their stretchy material ensures a snug fit on any container, perfect for saving space in your fridge while reducing waste. Number 10. Pan Protector with Stars. Finally, we have the Pan Protector with Stars, a set of felt pot protectors designed to keep your cookware scratch-free while stacking them away. Available in 3 different sizes. These protectors are perfect for safeguarding your non-stick pans from damage during storage. They ensure that your pots and pans remain in pristine condition while maximizing storage space in your kitchen. Thank you for tuning into today's review of 10 affordable new kitchen gadgets you need in your life. If you found these products helpful or exciting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. For more amazing content, check out the links in the description box below for more details on each product featured today. Happy cooking!